Hey everyone, Ritik here from Clientric CRM Consulting and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can easily integrate your other calendars with Zoho Mail. So let's get started. So right now we are in Zoho Mail. So in order to move further, simply just we have to go to settings, configure settings, and here under settings you will see mail and a drop down option. Simply just click here and here you will see calendar. Just simply click here and here you will see a various of integration option with calendar. So this one is for meetings. So if you wanted to schedule any meetings through Zoom, so you can simply just configure it. Apart from that, if you wanted to synchronize your calendars with, for example, if you're using Google Calendar, then you can you just need to authenticate your Google account to sync your Google Calendar here, or clicking on authenticate Google, you will be redirected to your Google accounts page. So just simply have to click here, like you just have to agree to their terms and conditions. And once you will click on your Google, authenticate Google, so automatically this pop-up will come and it will ask for your email address and password. Once you will add that, automatically your calendar will be synced with Zoho Mail calendar. So like it's very easy to do. And the same thing goes with the Outlook calendar as well, like the same procedure, and Calendly calendar as well. So yeah, this is how basically you can easily synchronize your calendar with Zoho Mail calendar. Apart from that, if you're looking for any tailored guidance and need more professional help regarding it, please do not hesitate to book a free consultation call with our team. You will find the link into the description. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And that's it for today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.